At the end of this video, you will be able to describe how route coverage is calculated and managed and how to improve your route coverage. A route is an entry point exposed by an application that allows users to interact with the application and its data. The most common type of route is an HTTP verb and a URL. As an application loads, the contrast agent identifies all exposed entry points present in the application. Routes are then classified as either exercised or discovered. As you test your application and hit new endpoints, those routes move from discovered to exercised. Route coverage is simply the number of routes exercised divided by the number of routes. The Route Coverage tab for an application provides details about exercised and discovered routes. In this example, we can see that the welcome page, or the main landing page for this application, has been exercised. Additional details include the server or servers the route was exercised on, the number of vulnerabilities associated with this route, and when the route was most recently exercised. As we scroll down the list, all of our discovered routes are displayed. These are routes that Contrast identified, but testing has not yet exercised. Clicking on the route details shows the endpoint that has not been exercised. Contrast allows you to exclude routes that may not be related to application functionality or are unavailable in production environments. Examples are health check routes, dead or deprecated functionality, and inaccessible routes. Excluding these types of routes makes your route coverage calculation more accurate. As you execute functional, regression, integration, performance, and other test cases, you can use your route coverage as a gauge to the efficacy of your testing. Some tips for improving route coverage include: ensure the contrast agent is installed in all environments you are testing in, such as development, QA, and staging. If your process also includes development testing, integration testing, or other types of pre-production testing, ensure the agent is installed in order to get the best view possible of your risk exposure. Here we see an application, Spring-Pet Clinic, that has the agent installed on different servers for different testing environments. The agent has been deployed to 3 different development servers and 1 QA server. All of the results, including vulnerabilities, library use, and route coverage, are aggregated in one place. If you plan to deploy the agent in multiple environments, ensure that the application name is common in all environments. This will aggregate all of your route coverage, vulnerabilities, and other data in one place. If you have framework or application server exposed routes in your results, exclude them in the Contrast UI. One of the most beneficial steps to improving route coverage is to use discovered route data to create and improve your test coverage, which will ensure additional endpoints are hit. If you have a large number of routes, it may be beneficial to select all or some of them and then use the export capability within the GUI. This will create a CSV file with all of the details for all of the routes you have selected. We hope you found this information useful in managing your route coverage. Thank you for watching.